Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm finally back with yet another story. Really a story. I'm here to let you guys know what happened. My computer charger broke. Had to order one online. I waited for it for a couple weeks, as you can tell, and here we are yet again. I did post a video a couple of days ago that was like a quick fast paced video about one of the looks that I had recently uploaded over on my Instagram. I feel like I'm talking so much with my hands, but that's what's happening. Today, I'm not doing much. I think I'm just gonna do something simple, figure something out. I don't know what I'm doing. Once again, I'm like, I have no clue what I want to do today. I already shaved my brows. Let me just it gets hot in here because of my lighting, and I'm gonna go in as usual with my Anastasia primer. I'm gonna be using the Amrezy palette by Anastasia. Let me know if you guys want a full review of it. So. I'm gonna start doing my base because I want to do something else underneath. I'm gonna go in with my primer. Oh, I'm going with another primer. This is the dewy primer. I did the matte primer first because I like it in certain areas. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have a couple demons over here. I'm gonna go in with Golden Beige from Wet n Wild as a dewy foundation. This is my shade, my winter shade, and I'm a little bit, just a tad bit darker, but it doesn't really matter. Residue from the other thing that I usually put on my face. It's was making my foundation lighter. I'm using the stick to contour my face. To bronze my face, not really contour. Contour is supposed to be a cool tone, but ignore my little rinse. Spun to carve out my contour, bronzing, whatever the hell this is. Some black liner to tie my line, and this on my bottom line. This is by Because Cosmetics. This is like a plum shimmery shade, and the other one is just a black kohl pencil. I'm gonna go do my neck, put my lashes on. You probably won't be able to tell what I'm wearing because of, just fix you guys a little bit, but you can go over to my Instagram and check out my my outfit if you're interested in that. Also, if you have eyebrows, do your eyebrows with this look. It's not required that you don't, so please do your eyebrows if you have them. I'm gonna add a little more of the glitter shade up here because my lashes are a little big and it kind of cover this awesome glitter shadow. I know this look is a little bit wild and out there, and you might not agree with what I'm about to do next, but I'm gonna be doing some black lips, to which I'm gonna add some liner. Add it to the center because I want black lips, but I want them to fade out into this beautiful thing. Please forgive my crusty lips. And now with my finger, I'm gonna diffuse the edges a little bit. I'm gonna add a gloss to hide my crusty lips, and that's the completed look. I blacked out my, not just my neck but also my ears, because I'm probably gonna be doing something like this for my Instagram. So, but that is it for today. My eyelashes are all wonky. Let me know if you guys want to see the review of these palette. If you are lurking, please subscribe. I'd like to have you here. Don't go. If you enjoyed these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. You know, do what you gotta do. Anyway, I'm gonna go take pictures for my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.